Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $30 per hour simply by watching videos online. It's a great process, make a little extra money, so stay tuned and watch this all the way through. Hey, welcome back. My name is Nate Valine with natevaline.com, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, as I said, I'm going to show you how you can make $30 per hour by simply watching videos online. Now, quickly, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my other videos on how to make money online, or also how to improve your skills as an online marketer. Now, let's get into this, and we'll get into my computer here. And so we're in my computer here, and you may have seen some of this, but I just wanted to give you my version of this because this is something I do take part in. And this is several websites that you can earn about $10 for about 20 minutes worth of viewing time. I'm going to give you a few different websites, like this first one here, usertesting.com. What it is an online site where they have clients that submit websites and videos to them, and then they have a pool of testers that go out and they just narrate their experience as they go through the website or video. And so user testing is one of my favorite, probably my top recommended one. And it's very simple to get started on. You just go to usertesting.com and you just click on get paid to test. And what you can see is you can earn up to actually $60 per test. So they have different tests that you can take part in. Most of them on average about 20 minutes, where you get paid $10 for that 20 minutes. So you do 3 tests in an hour, that's $30 per hour, right? And it's really great. You get paid via PayPal every 20 minutes video you complete. They pay out weekly in most cases, and you can see they use a lot of top name brands and companies that use their system that you get to test. So user testing, like I said, is one of my favorite. You can get paid up to $60 per test. On average, it's the $10 per 20-minute video you complete. The second one that I really like as well is Try My UI. Try My UI, again, very simple. You just come up here to get paid to test, click on it. You can see you get paid $10 for each test you take, and typical test lasts approximately 20 minutes. So again, this is another site that for 20 minutes worth of work, you get 10 bucks. That's $30 per hour. And again, it's very simple to get started. You just fill out this form, submit it, and you're up and running. They do also ask a couple, just as a side note, when you do create an account, they do have options to add a little bit more demographic information, like your sex, your household income, education level, stuff like that. And that'll help direct more tests to your dashboard that you can take. Now, the third site that I highly recommend is userlytics.com. These are all the same. They all offer the same programs, just a little bit different. So with this, you would just go to tester sign up. And again, you can get paid $5, $10, $15, or $20, as much as $90 for having fun expressing opinions while you navigate the web. And so myself, I, believe it or not, am an introvert. In college, I did one of those personality tests. It came back that I was a moderate introvert. Since then, I think I've evolved into more of outgoing introvert, meaning that I don't mind speaking or being social. I just don't like being the center of attention, which is kind of funny. But this is something I do. I use all of these sites, and what I'll do is I'll actually log into this one here so I can show you the back end. If I can get this going. And so even for me as an introvert, when I do a test, all you have to do is narrate what you think, what you're going through, what you're experiencing. If I was reviewing this page, and be like, oh, so I see the logo up here, but it's kind of plain, gives some basic information, but what the objective of the page looks like to me is that you want to take all these tests. Pretty straightforward, right? That's all you do. That's all you have to do for about 20 minutes of work. So this is the dashboard on usertesting.com for my tests, and these are all tests that I can do. Some of them have specific requirements, and most of them you do take a little screen or test. So you may not qualify for every single test, but you can qualify for quite a few. You just have to be available, and if you do want to really make a couple $100 a month by doing this, you kind of need to check it every day, or maybe even a couple times a day if possible, because some also have a quota limit. I found where they'll post a test and I'll go to click it, but then it says, this test has met its quota, or another tester is already completing this assignment. So you do want to keep up on it. This is something that you're not going to make a full-time income doing, but if you just need a couple extra $100 a month, then this is definitely something that can easily be done. It doesn't take up a whole lot of your time. And as you can see, there are a lot of different tests you can do. You can do, they have tests for Macs or Windows. They have smartphone tests that you can do. And it's all the same stuff. You just narrate your experience as you're going through the test video. And so there are some on here like this one. Some are live conversations where you'll schedule to speak with a customer live about their website or prototype or whatever it is, using a video conference software. But for this, it's approximately 30 minutes long and you get $30. So right there, you do 2 of those, now you're making $60 an hour. So again, here's another live conversation. So right there, you could get set up with those, $60 an hour. And that's not a bad chunk of change for a short amount of time. So these are all very good sites if you're looking to make a couple extra $100 a month. Like I said, what it could help you do is pay down that extra bill. It might give you that extra little bit of income to help grow your business a little bit faster. And it just kind of helps you get a little bit more momentum, because you start doing this, you start taking action. Action is going to lead into more action with your business, as long as you're committing to the right money-making tasks. So these are the top 3 websites I recommend: the usertesting.com, Try My UI, Userlytics. Now there's 2 other sites that I use. I'm not as impressed with them. Tests come up less frequently, but one of them is userfeel.com. This one, you can become a tester, earn $10 per test, 10-20 minutes, same thing. I don't see as many tests coming through on this one, but it is a good one to just add to the portfolio if you're doing this. You might as well sign up for all of them. That way you're maximizing your opportunities to make money, right? And the other is whatusersdo.com. Again, this one I don't see tests as often, but it is another quality company that I do continue to use as well. So I use all 5 of these companies, and I'm making a couple extra $100 a month by doing this. So I hope you got some value out of this video. Maybe it gives you some sparks on ideas on how you can start getting some traction, making some money online. Like I said, it's not going to earn you a full-time income, but a couple extra $100 is a couple extra $100 that doesn't hurt, right? So with that, I'm just going to wrap this video up. I hope you got some value out of it. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, a like, a share. If you have any questions or comments, leave those in the down below. I'll do my best to answer them. And most importantly, again, subscribe. Subscribe to my channel if you feel like you don't want to miss out on any of my other great videos on how to make money online or how to improve upon your marketing skills as an online marketer or online entrepreneur. I'm going to be posting videos frequently, so make sure you subscribe, hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of the great content I'm putting out. So with that, once again, my name is Nate Voline with natevoline.com. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate you, and I'll talk to you or see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.